Now, we can also conceptualize a firm's profit maximizing behavior using output instead of looking at workers. So we could say that a firm is willing to produce until the marginal revenue of a product is equal to its marginal cost. Instead of choosing the number of workers based on their value, they choose a production level and hire workers until they reach that production level. Now, from the outside, these two look the same, but the internal decisions are slightly different. But their use of marginal analysis is the same. They're still using marginal analysis here. So this figure illustrates the concept. The marginal cost curve is upward sloping because as the firm expands, the costs that they face begin to increase at an increasing rate. Now, a firm in a competitive market cannot influence the price that they sell their product at. They are what we call price takers, selling at the market price. So no matter how much they produce, they sell them at the same price P. And that's why we have this horizontal line here, price P. If that's, $10, if that's $15, no matter how many they produce, what level of output here on the x-axis, it's going to be at that single price. So the firm is going to produce up to the point where the marginal cost, this curve, marginal cost curve, equals the output price. Because output is a straight line, because no matter how many units they sell, it's going to be the same price. The marginal revenue they get is going to be at P, that price. So if it's $15, they sell another unit, they get $15. So where these 2 points cross, where the marginal revenue equals the marginal cost, or the price equals the marginal cost, that is where the firm is going to maximize their profits. So this is represented by the output level Q star. If a firm tried to produce their, increase their production, I'll say above Q star. So if they try to be over here, look here, the output price is below their marginal cost. So they would end up losing money from their increased production. So they're not going to want to produce out there. Or if they do produce out there, they're not going to want to do that for very long once they realize